Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are creating something beautiful, rustic, timeless, and incredibly easy to personalize a jute burlap wreath. Whether you want to decorate your front door and cozy charm to your living room or create a meaningful handmade gift, this wreath is the perfect for project. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the slow art of crafting together. For this craft, you will need a metal or foam wreath base, burlap jute ribbon, jute twins, hot glue gun, scissor, and optional decoration like wooden beads, foxflower, pine cones, cinnamon sticks, or lace trim. You can use whatever you already have. Rustic craft all about simplicity and natural texture. Start by taking your burlap ribbon and gently wrapping it around your wreath from keep your hand soft and steady. This is a slow craft, a craft made with patience. Overlap slightly as you go to make sure the base is fully covered, and secure the end with a small dab of hot glue. There is something grounding about working with natural fibers. They remind us of old homes, slow mornings, and earthy comfort. Now, well create texture. Take a second place of burlap ribbon and fold it back and forth, making soft loop like small waves. Skewer each loop with a twist of jute twin or a small glue point. This gives you wreath dimension. It's make it look full, soft, and inviting. If your wreath feels too tight or too flat, gently pull the loop outward. Burlap is forgiving and easy shape. This is the fun part, designing your wreath personally. Warm or rustic, add pine cones, cotton birds, and wooden slice. Romantic farmhouse, add lace, papers, rose, or soft cream fiber. Minimum and natural, keep it simple with just stick and jute blow. Please keep your decoration loosely first, step by step. Look at just crafting is not about rushing, it's about listening to the design as it forms. Now secure everything with hot glue, one piece at a time. If you would like to add bow, take a white piece of burlap ribbon, make two loops, then cinch the center with jute twins. Simple, humble, and beautifully handmade. Working with jute and burlap teach us something beautiful. Not every decoration need to shine to be meaningful. Something the most comfort beauty is found is simplicity. Natural colors, soft textures, things that feel familiar. When we craft with our hand, we also craft peace in our mind. Every fold, every knot, every adjustment remind us to slow down, to enjoy where we are in this moment. Your home does not have to expensive to feel warm. It's only need love and something made by your hand. Take a moment now, stuff your loops, adjust your bow, and press any piece more firmly into place. Is your wreath feel slightly unblended? That's okay. Rustic craft we mean to look natural, not perfect. Perfection is not the goal. Character is. Tie a loop for the jute twins at the back of your wreath is ready to hang. And there you have it, your handmade jute burlap wreath. Simple, warm, and full of heart. We hope you like the video. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy DIY craft and homemade decoration ideas. And must share with your friends and family. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel and visit. Also, there is lots of amazing and beautiful homemade crafting DIY projects, tutorials, which can help you make your upcoming holiday and Christmas decorate. So please must watch visit my channel. As I already stated that I really appreciate your support, so keep watching, keep supporting my channel. Must share your valuable and precious comments, which is very valuable for us. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching video till the end. Have a wonderful and amazing holiday season ahead. Keep shining, keep blessing. Easily handmade crafting as you are showing on your screen. Hope you like it. Share your thoughts and your comments, what we upload next and what you actually want to see. God bless you all. Take care.